forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Oh no. So when I want to come out, take a signal. Why you want to question on me like I interview?
1604end.com.
I'm tryna put a ring on your finger too. And be a better guy, be a better guy. On the low.
Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Simply Sorry. Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Simply Bam here again. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you are very welcome. I hope you stay. So please remember to subscribe to my channel. I know I've been gone for so long, but I'm back now with really better and exciting stuff for all of you. Okay. Today on my channel, I'm featuring a very highly requested appearance. Alright? So you go ahead and introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm in your lab, I guess.
Oh, you looking at me? She said, I guess. So my chicks are paying me.
We've been laughing all day.
All day.
Fun.
I promise you.
Yeah. Good. Come on.
So, with that being said, without further ado, yeah, you know what I mean? We're gonna go right into the video. So I look like my chest is like I'm a bodybuilder. I don't know.
How? Because see now, it's different.
Please, I'm tired. So I'm taking my LA Pro concealer, the same thing that I always use in every video. I'm gonna be putting that on my eyelids. Yeah, okay. I know body should just watch my nail. I know it's removed. It's gonna be like that. Alright?
Like me.
Times are hard. Okay, it's Christmas season. Take it like that. Alright? I don't even know if I should use my UK accent today.
I'm sticking to my Nigerian. I beg.
Okay, so I'm taking my LA Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna go in. You know my routine by now, but I'm gonna go through it with you, okay? But like even eyeliner self, I really struggle with eyeliner. I don't even lie.
I think because I stopped doing that winged wave.
Oh, why?
Now it's not a little bit. I find it a little bit hard to do. Then I was the,
Damn good. I don't know what direction this makeup is going in. Honestly, guys, this girl is literally a makeup artist, like low-key.
No.
Like she.
Do not because when this thing does not come out nice, so they will understand that. I don't know. So you know that when you say she's a this and then it comes out like a rubbish thing. You're like this. So what's the
I don't take it like that now. They will what? They will take it like that. What? Do you like? What
if you
like that? Makeup.
I don't know. I've always like even when I was little, like I've always like aside from using just know how you use just my powder then.
Honestly.
And then your face is like, why?
Do you ever just look back and like throw back pictures and like,
actually funny enough, I
let me like who
I don't think I have any.
Who actually told me this was okay?
Oh my god, I actually do have some friends too.
Because God, I saw this picture of myself when I was in high school, and I legit sorry, I'm looking for brushes and it's just loud, like why?
And my brows are never the same, so I'm just saying it now. Like my brows are not sisters, they're not twin sisters, right? It's just sisters.
They're just acquaintances.
They're just sisters. Like they don't need to look alike. They don't need to.
Wow, that was really in depth.
Let me just start like explaining now. So when they say that, how come this one is like this one, that one is like this?
You take it like that.
Take it like that, guys.
So yeah, like I saw this picture of myself from high school and I was legit, I promise you, I was just wearing foundation and red lipstick. Like,
even doing foundation?
This red lipstick was mad. Like I was I didn't even do eyebrows, I didn't do anything. It was just foundation and just a very bright red lipstick. Like, why did I think that was okay?
But that was as a then. I think brows were not a thing as a then. Do you know? My brows were like...
It was mad.
And then the concealer was so up.
Do you know, I'm ashamed to say this thing, but at a point I used to use mascara for brows.
What the hell?
I just take out the wand and I used to brush my eyebrows and I'm like, oh, there we go, we are set for today. I feel like makeup is just one of those things. The more you do it, the more you like, you figure out what is for you, what is not for you,
and then you stick to what's for you.
What you're good, yeah.
And then sometimes you think that okay, this thing can be for me, but then you
try it and you're like, wow, you're shook.
Like the way, I always think like red lipstick isn't for me, and I actually ended up like it. Actually, it's still I still feel it's still not for me. Yeah.
Okay, to be really honest, I'm like actually in love with this eyeshadow color. I won't lie though, I thought it was going to come out a bit differently. Like I thought it was going to be more red. It's looking like
not
like
red.
A dark pink.
Yeah.
But I think maybe that is because of the base.
Yeah, the base.
Like if it was a white base, you know, I feel like maybe it would be a bit differently. Do you have a white base? You like it's not
that white, but it is better than.
I'll use it on the other eye and then we'll see the difference. But I feel like like I actually really like it. See, I've been having a really hard time trying to get a palette with red color in it. For some reason, I don't know why it's so hard.
Have you tried that 3502, Morphe 3502? I think they have.
There's no red. Is there red?
They do have some. No, you have.
I tried to order this one with the red, and I got this big palette with all shit.
I know.
Wow, mad. I need this palette. This was the one I was trying to order. This
even 3502.
So I need to clean this makeup thing. No. Because this is red.
So who's like your favorite musician? Whatever, right?
No, not really. Like I like Burna Boy. I think he's just there. You get. I think I like Davido does not disappoint. I like Davido.
I like his songs, don't get me wrong.
So
I just
you just don't like him as a person?
I like him as a person, but
I feel like Davido's fans come for you.
I prefer Risky. Like, who doesn't like Risky? Okay, obviously Risky I feel like don't like.
Okay. But Risky is not bad. Like it's okay, but I like Davido. I feel like Davido's song, every song is a hit back to back.
Big. Have you listened to all his recent rubbish? Sorry, all his recent songs.
What's your favorite song at the moment, though? Like your song that you're really feeling right now, that is like, oh yes, this is my song.
On the love. Did you see when Toke Makura said? She thought Abigail was Ebuka.
Hey!
Ebuka.
She should just let us.
Ebuka. Like, how does that talent?
She needs to let us hear what.
I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't know how to do makeup. Let me just clear everything.
We're both not makeup artists.
So this is just a fun thing, like, you know.
Why are you scared? Am I scary? And you're not scary.
Are you scared? No, I think I'm not supposed to be asking that
question. People think I'm mean. Do I look mean? People say my face looks mean.
No, I feel you're actually very, very friendly. I'm very, very friendly.
Fine, I don't always. I laugh a lot too, but I feel like
right.
I feel I'm a friendly person, but I feel that people are just scared to approach me because they think I will be mean. And then I think you're mean though.
I'm not.
No, you look mean. Like you have a mean face.
Yeah, that's what everyone says, right? Well, just.
What are you trying to say? Show you about.
I'm like saying, like, just try and like spend some time with me, then discover what type of person I am. Like,
I feel like
I have people who says, oh, I actually thought you were this mean person, and this person doesn't really like talking, but then like talking about being mean, blah blah blah.
Oh yeah. I don't think I look mean. Okay, honestly, I do. I think I look mean.
I don't. Oh, But wait, what do people expect? Do they expect you to like? As
You know,
you're
some
walking,
people are
as you're walking, they. I'm not mad.
Sorry,
You understand?
No,
some people they fake all these things. Not that. Let's just be real with each other.
for the break in transmission, our battery died, and you know they also cannot stop. We continued the eyeshadow, but we're back to you with some goodies. Just take it like that. We're back and enjoy it, please. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Much love and kisses. What's your mistake? Come on. Back up. I give you bye.
You should be able to open this thing. Can't we open fencing?
Please, I'm trying to blend my eyebrows. Please. I'm not in the mood for all these things.
What is happening?
Open fencing.
Can't you open it?
When the body enter body, enter body, on the
Yeah.
I was really sad when I ate the news, and I hope they come back together.
Well, but you don't really know what he did, do you?
Come on, he's a celebrity. Like she knows,
Ah,
she knows that that's one of the cons of being a celebrity. So many girls will throw themselves at the boy now.
So that doesn't mean you can't have self-control?
He's a guy.
I mean, does that mean you can't have self-control?
He's a guy.
It doesn't matter.
I think all those celebrities, I'm sorry, but all those celebrities,
Hey, but-
they don't know that I'm married. They don't shit.
Yeah, but that's fine with their wives, right?
Yeah,
Being a celebrity does not mean that you
That's what I'm
now
saying.
conform to all these standards that's just not working for you because your husband is are you not a celebrity?
I think at this point in time, I'm going to keep my mom. I mean, all of things I want to say.
Say your mind then. If you know you're sure, if you say it's your chest.
I know, so I will not come for me.
Well, I mean, I just feel like in life, it's not about is a celebrity or not. I feel that she should have put her foot down
Yeah,
in the beginning, like before she had the kid.
What makes you think he was cheating in the beginning?
Because I don't believe this is something that is just happening recently. I don't believe this is something that
What
is
if
just
this
new
is
about
actually a stunt?
So that was the first thing that I thought when I saw that thing. I laughed and I said, this is not true. Like, they're just doing this for attention. But
They really don't. And you see one of them with some job on our album now. And everyone will rush to go and listen to it, right?
Because I can't just believe that that's how it will happen. All this time you guys didn't break up, you got engaged, you got married, you had a kid, and then you realized that you wanted to break up. It's crazy. Like, you would have seen the signs.
But I would like him to get back together. Like, if he promises that it's going to be the last, and if he does it again, dump it, right? Just
Teni, what's your own there? What is
like, well, I really like him, but then what is
what is Eniola? Because Eniola is coming, someone would think Cardi B employed her.
But I like Cardi B, right? I like that she's real. I like how the person and that's it, right?
And then people used to take things fair. Honestly, I don't blame them. The Bible says the power of life and death is in the tongue, so you reject it right away. Yes, please. No. Babu. Hey, I've been the cook. Many girls, but you are choose. Wow. To be really honest, would you rather be in Nigeria right now?
No.
Would you where? Okay, if you could
as much as I would love to be in Nigeria right now, but no. I feel like being in Nigeria now would be so much of expenses. And the traffic, don't get me on the traffic.
Because of
December, lots of shows, like Olamide is performing, Lucy is performing. Do you know how the traffic is so crazy? Like so small. No, I rather go when everywhere is quiet. Like go quietly, like enjoy myself. Although it might be boring, but if you are with the right,
I don't think Nigeria.
If you are with the right stuff,
I don't think Lagos is ever boring.
You turn up on Thursday, you go there on Friday, you do it on Saturday again. All those times you miss someone because you want to work because you have to do this.
Even weekdays, I feel like it's still like turn up time in Nigeria. Like Nigeria is like I don't know. Maybe not Nigeria. Maybe just Lagos. I don't know.
This literally makes me so fat.
Okay, zoom into your face now. And that's some things you say at times. I don't understand.
Why shall you shy?
Shall I shy for you?
Shall I shy?
Like Nigerians, they can't just calm down. Like some can just
not
annoy
smiling. As in, what?
Nigerians have never been smiling, I beg. But they're not this brutal. They're so brutal. Like someone is saying something, one from back to back. People they're like, people is let me just.
Are you serious?
Let me just glue my lashes, please. So from back to back.
Barry was saying something one from.
I don't have glue it back, please.
I feel like that color. You understand? Go with it.
See, I feel like I'm always wearing this lipstick.
But this lipstick actually goes with it.
I didn't want this kind of makeup today. I did not. I want
On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Subscribe. Definitely subscribe. It's very important. Okay, I'm begging you, please subscribe. Okay, we're not proud, we're humble. Alright, and we'll see you guys in the next one.